exposition naturally photography were about the MIS.museu, image and som, Ribeirão Preto, São Paulo, Brazil. This new exposition were about the beautiful photographs of the nature. This important animal and forest. You can see the property, the mindset, the segments to the area forest, animal, and half service. This is important. The middle of the sensibility, the colors for birds and feelings. Beautiful time, pass step by step, day by day. The show was a photography with that sensibility and perfect situation of the museum. Is named MIS. The city government and these many players like this for culture, understanding, and great time for expression of the nature. Doing any best a step, you can see the great communication to the colors. Time this day, the first position of cinema. Okay? The cinema. This is home for can watch this movie, and the curve is student for the history to be write and document what about the times that the student shows projects to the movie and the form that the movies can show us for the pictures, our position or students or our persons that citizens that live in the city. There's MIS, Ribeirão Preto City, and state governor São Paulo, Brazil. This is home you can see and equipment for any movies. My name was Carlos Terra, acoustic guitar, piano, cavaquinho, violin, acoustic guitar, or a little paper, or electric piano, any voice, any our style, blues, country, gospel, popular, and the singer, a great or sing. The step for all times the silence of cinema. Okay. This time, good night. Thank you very much. Thank you, great much.